So the Emily Dickinson house here. This top right window on the second floor was her bedroom. And to the far left, I believe was her mother's room. And the bottom floor was an area where people would gather. There's a piano there. Was there the original piano? Now they have like a replica of the setting where it mimics the time that she was there. But in one of her letters, she mentions looking out the window, waking up to a fire, and there's a sight of plumage and smoke. So I asked the clerk where the town center was, and it's in the same location where it is now. So she would have been looking out side of her window into town on the left there, and she would have seen that smoke. Go out around. Here's the front door. Yeah. I can kind of reach over. So when she looked out, the town center is up there. So her bedroom was right there in the top left, second floor. Bottom floor on the right was the library. The front door here, the gardens were over here. The conservatory's on the left there.